Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Ipshita, sorry, Trisha, read question number 19. Trisha? Acha, Debolin?
Okay, ma'am, reading. Number 90. Rohit bought a shirt and a sweater. The cost of the shirt is rupees 450 and the cost of the sweater is 80% of the cost of the shirt. What was the cost of the sweater?
So, very much easy or not? As if just 80% of rupees 450? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. When there is off in the sentence.
Acha, 80%? No. Find the cost of sweater. Na, basically, the cost of the shirt is given rupees 450. Yes, Tom. And the cost of the sweater is 80% of the cost of, that means 80% of 450 directly. I don't know why this type of easy question has been given. Na? So, Amit Rajit, are you able to solve it? Or I'll have to write the statement?
Ma'am, you can write the statement, I will solve it.
Acha. Okay, acha. Maybe the statement is different, but the meaning must be same, huh? Okay, now let me write it. Rohit, what are, acha, just directly write cost of the shirt is equal to rupees 450. Now the next one. The cost of sweater is given 80% of the cost of shirt. Directly write cost of sweater is equal to 80% of the cost of shirt. Yes, so that means just put the cost of shirt. Okay. Yash, understood better? Anuva, understood or not? Say at least.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Two zero will be cancelled out. So 8 into 45. Yes, Tom.
Yes, ma'am. I can
Yes, ma'am, 80 to 40.
No. Ujan is there. Ujan.
Ma'am, can I say?
Acha. Trisha, you can say
Ma'am,
the
can I
answer.
say?
Trisha.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ha, Shaurjashish. Same.
Ma'am, 360.
360.
Acha, this rupee sign you will have to put, huh?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
this answer is correct.
Yes. Okay, now what is in question number 20? Divyanka?
Yes, ma'am. Number 20. Atul weighs 80 kg. The weight of his son is 80% of his weight. Find the difference between their weights.
Find the difference between their weight. Before that, already Atul's weight we know. Huh? We have to find his son's weight. Then we can find their difference. Yes, Tom.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am clearing the screen. All of you completed this one, Tom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Suhana?
Yes, ma'am.
Riazuddin?
Yes, ma'am.
Shamia?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Acha, now number 20.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
So write Atul's weight is equal to 80 kilogram. his son's weight is equal to what? 80% of
80%
exactly. I am directly writing that 80% of 80 kilogram. Yes, Tom. So 80 by 100 into 80 kilogram. 0, 0 will be cancelled out. 8 8s are 64 kilogram. Now what is the
64.
difference? Ipshita, say the difference between their weights.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, who? Ma'am, who?
Ipshita.
Okay, ma'am.
The answer is already given.
And their difference, and this difference is 80 minus 64. That the answer is 16 kg.
Okay, all of you understood, Tom?
Yes, ma'am.
Arpon,
Yes, ma'am.
Surjashish, Mirza.
Ma'am, these are very easy questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Is equal to write the answer. Just minus, okay? Tazif, Suhana, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Junaid, understood? So, okay, now number 18. Basically, yesterday also I explained. I know only 2 or 3 questions may have completed this one as homework. Most of the student not done. Maximum 3 or 4 student. Yes, Divyanka, only Divyanka, na? Devolin, you have also not done.
No, ma'am, I have forgotten. কেউ জানি দিলে করে দিতাম খুব বেশি কঠিন
What? What? Acha, don't talk in Bengali, huh?
Then the school will.
Acha,
Reminder.
who are there want to talk in Bengali? They can say,
Bengali,
they can
okay.
talk, but I will give some punishment. Okay, interesting. Acha, okay, now let me start 18, huh? Amitrajit, read number 18.
Okay, ma'am. A man saves 22% of his income. If the savings are rupees 1,980, find his total income.
Acha, basically I told that 22% value, if this one is the percentage value, then the amount is rupees 1,980, na? Yes, Tom.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
the percentage value is 1, then the amount will be rupees
Divide.
1,900 exactly by 22. And if the percentage value is 100, because percentage means always total will be 100%. Then, first divide this one and check whether it is directly coming. I write the statement. Okay, let me write it properly. Huh? Number 18.
I have done that in rupees, not in percentage. Means like rupees 22.
Basically, it is given percentage though.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, rupees 22, if you are writing, that means then the total value will be rupees 100.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
in
I have written
percent-
that.
Okay, then it will be okay, no problem. But usually when it is given out of 100, then always try to put percent. Got it, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. A man saves 22% of his income. Okay. Then what you can write, that means when Divyanka, when you are taking 22% as rupee, then you have to make the statement in such a way that he saves rupees 22 when the total income is 100. Then the statement will be totally changed. Just I told them when the percentage value is 22%, then savings was 1980 now. But here the statement will totally be changed. If he saves rupees 22, then total income is rupees 100. Understood? So then total statement will be changed. Divyanka? Okay,
Yes,
I am
ma'am, but-
writing. I am following that process. Huh? What you are telling, rupees. Okay. Look. Just be careful, huh? The statement.
Ma'am, we need to go.
Where just show it properly. Let me check. That one too I told. When you are take it, writing in rupee form, then basically you will have to write in the right side that rupees 100, not 1980. I told now.
Yes, ma'am. So it is correct.
It is correct, exactly.
Okay,
He
ma'am.
saves rupees 22 when the total income, acha, write in one line, huh? As there is no space, that's why I am writing here. You will have to write in one statement, okay? When the total income,
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am,
rupees
I want
100.
to say something. Can I?
Say.
Yes, ma'am. In maths, the exercise be the decimal percentage into decimal. The sums were there.
Yes, beta.
So, ma'am, I am practicing, but if we write a sequence like this, the marks will be deducted.
Where? Show it. Little bit
Yes,
closer to the camera, beta. Little bit closer to the camera. Keep the copy. Keep the copy little bit closer to the camera, huh? I am unable to see. Acha, he saves rupees 1 when the total. Acha, Divyanka, that dot sign will not be allowed, huh?
Ma'am, but why?
Because just now you are in class 5, okay? Up to 7 you will write, you will have to write in full statement. From 8 only you can put that dot sign, okay?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
but
I
we
am
have
showing
given
me.
the dot sign from step 1.
No,
yes, ma'am.
this
That's
is
true.
bad manners, okay? This is my rule. In my period, okay? No dot sign will be allowed. No laziness. पूरे दिन नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है?
Ma'am, that is not
Firstly,
laziness. That is also process.
No,
And
no,
if I
no, no,
show the
no.
process, that is wrong.
Divyanka, this is a process. Yes, I know, but apply it in the higher class because you know what? Even sometimes we get a paper in such a way, students are like writing. Suppose this 22 and 100, so students are writing by putting the dot. They are writing rupees 22 hyphen rupees 100. In this way, even they are doing an exam. You know.
Ma'am,
No,
the
you are
main
telling that,
concept only
ma'am,
they
I
are
never
writing.
do that.
No statement.
Exactly, but that is not rule though. Divyanka, you are telling that I'll never write this, ma'am. But one time, after you are going to save your time. That, ma'am, why to write? After 1, 2, 3 years, sometimes your mentality will be there in that way that you will write just hyphen. Okay, so try to write in full statement. I will prefer to write in full statement. Okay. At least up to the next class, up to 6. Got it? I know you are not happy with my words. I know. Okay. But you will have to do it. Acha, when he saves rupees 1, when the total income is rupees 100 by 22. Yes, so?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, now he saves rupees this when Divyanka do it again. Income is equal to rupees 100 by 22 into Acha, mute yourself, beta. Acha, by 2 we can easily cut this one. Yes, Tom, it will be 11. It will be 990. Then by 11 it will be 90 only. Ultimately the answer will be 9,000. Yes or no?
Ma'am.
Yes, say.
Yes, ma'am. I was showing that.
Taziv, acha, show it again. All of you complete this one, huh?
Ma'am, completed.
Yes, that one will be correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, now look at this. So percentage completed. Okay, more to do. Acha, only one chapter is left. Acha, 2 chapter is left. Na time and
Geometry, ma'am.
Geometry, ma'am. Geometry.
And first we will do geometry, then time.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Geometry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Geometry.
time.
No, ma'am.
let me
first
start
time.
geometry today. Okay,
Yay.
I'll clear this one.
You haven't shared the screen only.
No, you said.
E or C.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The concept is clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
All of
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
able
Yes,
to hear
ma'am.
me? Acha, okay, now look at this. Acha,
Mama,
a point means
Yes, book.
a point means what? A point means what? No, this is R.S. Agarwal book, okay?
Okay.
Acha, basically from R.S. Agarwal from class 6 book, okay? But ultimately, just let me show you the concept. Huh? Acha, point means what?
My dot.
A dot. Exactly, a dot. That means mark of position. Yes, Tom.
Ma'am, we can say
It is a mark.
representation of a position.
Yes, the same thing, representation of a position. Okay. Acha, now it is denoted by basically this dot sign. And you can write x. Acha, now one thing, if we take 2 points, 2 fixed points are there, if we join them, then what will be made?
And who will say?
Any
I want to tell you something. Ma'am, if we made a line, ma'am, can I, ma'am, say in Bengali? One.
no बेटा, हिंदी
Ma'am,
में
I-
बोल सकते हो. हाँ,
Because
हिंदी
we-
में बोल सकते हो.
Ma'am, can I tell it?
यस, हिंदी में बोल सकते हो.
और कोई भाषा में?
अगर हम जब तक नहीं कोई पार्ट काटेंगे तब तक तो लैंड सेगमेंट नहीं बन सकता मैम.
नहीं बन सकता. एग्जैक्टली.
So ma'am, how a dot make line? It is correct, but how line segment?
No, I have taken two fixed point. Two fixed point, okay? If we join these two fixed point, look at this. Okay. Then there are two end points now. We cannot extend them. Yes, so two fixed point as we have taken, that means there is a limitation that these 2 points ends are the end points. So we cannot extend. If we cannot extend, that means that one is line segment, which we can draw in a paper. Okay, we can represent it in a paper. Got it, Trisha? Now, suppose we are taking this way. Look, these are extending up to what we want. Look, suppose you will say, ma'am, I will take in this way, but suppose Amitrajit is we will draw in this way. We can extend whatever up to what we want. Understood, Tom? Then only it will be said line.
Up to infinity.
Exactly. Then only it will be said line. But when we fixed 2 points, suppose we are cutting this portion, then 2 points are fixed now here, and we are writing over, we are drawing over there. Then that will be line segment. Understood, Tom? That means in line segment, there are 2 fixed end points, and it has a definite length. It has a fixed or definite length, but a straight line has no definite length. Clear? Is this clear to everyone? Is this clear to everyone? Acha, what is the condition? What is the condition of ray? Ray means there will be one fixed point, but another we can extend up to what we want. Got it?
Yes.
Understood too? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Acha,
ma'am.
okay. That means a ray, what are the basic difference between line segment, ray and line? The first thing is, in line segment, there are 2 end points. Mute yourself, mute yourself. Shamia, mute yourself. There are 2 fixed point or 2 end point in line segment. But in ray, only 1 end point. And in line or straight line, there is no end point. Got it? Second one, which one has a definite length? Only line segment has a definite length. Exactly. Not even ray, not even straight line. Okay. It can't be. Exactly. Suppose I am writing the name. Then AB. Now what is the figure? Just in this one. So we will have to look. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Now we can hear you properly.
Okay. Wait. Oof. अच्छा,
बट मैम ये रिकॉर्डिंग तो हमारे हालत ही खराब कर दिया.
अच्छा, look at this. AB. Suppose AB, we are representing the ray. When it will represent the ray, then also write denoted by AB and above AB, just draw the figure of ray. Look, one fixed point, another, there is the sign of extension. Yes, so suppose we are denoting the line or straight line, then in the both side we have to put the arrow sign. Understood? So basically, remember the figure of each and everything. Then put the figure above of AB or XY, whatever you are writing. Okay? Is it clear? Acha, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, acha, no need to write these basic differences. Okay, I will upload this. Acha, now, suppose it is coming in the exam, dash has a what will be the answer? Acha. Huh?
Using a diagram.
They can be represented by a diagram. Yes,
Oh, okay, ma'am. Represented.
they can be. They only this one can be drawn, and these two can be represented by just diagram. But this one of any length, you can take this one or you can draw this one in on a paper. Understood? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
line we cannot draw. We can just represent. Okay, now. Achha, about angle. How many types of angles are there? Anyone.
And there are total 4 types.
Same. Don't look at the book. Divyanka.
Four.
What's the question?
But actually the answer is not correct though. 4 types. But how many just say?
What question, ma'am?
How many types of angles are there? Classification of angles.
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 4. Right angle, obtuse angle,
Right
straight
Acute and right.
Acute angle.
Right angle, obtuse angle, and straight angle.
Obtuse angle. Obtuse
Acha,
angle,
acute
straight
angle.
angle, right angle, and acute angle.
Not acute. Acute angle.
Acute.
Acute angle. I can't pronounce it.
Exactly. Acute
Right
angle,
angle. There are total
right
3.
angle, straight angle.
Yes, ma'am. And
Yes,
obtuse
sir.
angle.
Total 4 actually is in your syllabus. But there are so many types of angles also. Straight angle means up to in your syllabus only it is 0 to 180 degree. Okay. Even some angles are more than 180 degree. There are also some names. Okay. Reflex angle, understood though? So many angles are there.
Yes, ma'am. I have searched in Google. There are many
Acha.
angles.
Acha, now no need to search in Google, okay? Now search in maths class, okay, beta? Acha, okay. Now write everyone. Classification of angles, give heading. Acha, it is already time over now. Okay, just give 5 minutes more, huh? First one, acute angle. Acha, basically you know how one angle can be formed by taking 2 rays, by joining 2 rays, okay? Look, so suppose this one is one ray. this one another ray. If they join at one point, if they mate, okay. Look, this one is, these are the end points. If we join them, then it will be in this way, yes or no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is called angle. Got it?
Yes,
though?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This one already
Means
known to you.
find
Now
the
look,
rays
write.
only.
Exactly. Now write acute angle. Write the definition. Angle whose measure is 0 degree. An angle whose measure is more than
Book only.
Measure or measurement?
What you writing? No. Page
0
ma'am is
degree.
writing from 160 to 50.
But no, I'm not writing
Can I
from
go to
your book,
toilet?
I told you, no?
Ma'am, can I go to
Yes,
toilet?
go. Yes, go.
Okay.
But less than and don't tell the each every book the same as same, huh? But less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Now if I write some example,
Ma'am, 60
Look.
degree, 45 degree, 50 degree.
89 degree, it will be acute angle, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Acha.
ma'am.
89.999 degree, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, it will be.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, 90.0001, it will be?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
This
good.
is bigger.
That means you have understood. Okay. Acha, 90 degree?
No,
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
less
ma'am.
than. Okay, good. Acha, just draw a figure of acute angle in this way, huh? Basically, 90 degree means these two will be straight. It will be 90. Don't make 90, huh? Just little bit lesser than 90 degree.
Ma'am, in the 162 page, there is classification of angles.
Okay, then read it, but also write what I am doing in class, huh?
Okay.
You will think that ma'am, it is in the book only. Then why to write? Why to waste time? Yes, to Amitrajit. But if you write it yourself, then you can remember the whole thing for a long time. Okay, done to all of you? Now the next one, right angle. Acha, listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow I'll complete this one, huh? This angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight, reflex, complete and zero angle. Okay.
Today,
Total 7 types of angles I will write tomorrow. 7 type, okay? Got it?
7.
Okay. Yes,
Ma'am,
what
that
you told me.
Means ma'am, extra 3 there will be.
Yes, reflex, complete and zero angle. Complete angle means 360 degree. Zero angle means by its name you can say 0 degree. Okay. And reflex angle means more than 180 but less than 360. Don't worry, tomorrow I'll explain. Chalo, bye everyone. Stay safe and stay healthy. Huh?